Yo, it's motherfucking boy Jerry. Here's all my replies to all the fucking haters out there. She don't want you. If she wanted you, she wouldn't cheat or leave you. Bro, I don't care what you say about her, though. I'm already building a new road for her. Oh hell no, I'm done with you. Keep going back to her. I lost my respect for you now. Okay, that's fine. The new road I'm building for her, it's going to our new house. Oh my god, she's just going to play you again. I believe she won't even do that to me again. Just stop following this guy. It's no use, just unfollow him. I don't care who unfollows me. Just stop it, you're getting more and more cringe. I don't think so. I was more cringe when I had my hair orange. She is just gonna keep on breaking your hoe. I'm used to that, I'm not gonna lie. But she knows I will never go break her heart. She is just gonna fuck you over again. I just don't know why you keep going back to her when you know she's gonna break up with you again. Everybody needs to stop thinking about themselves and think about us. I believe she can change. Everything heals up in time. Just give us another chance this time. Hope you guys enjoy. Killer Wolf out.